Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make M&M cookies. It's really tasty. Let's get started. Okay, get a measuring jug or a bowl, put in 2 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and about 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now just mix this together. Then get a stand mixer or your mixer and put in 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. Just leave it out for like a couple hours at room temperature. And that should be soft enough. Then put in a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of firmly packed brown sugar. Now we want to cream it together at about medium for about 2 to 3 minutes until this is white and fluffy. Now we're that's done, turn it on to a boil and then steam mixer, adding 1 large egg. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll turn the medium for about 20 seconds or so. Now go back to the boil setting. Get the dry ingredient and just add a little bit at a time. Now get about 3/4 of a cup of M&Ms. And then just mix it in. Alrighty. Now just heat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, and get a good sized baking tray, grease it, put some parchment paper on it, and then get the cookie dough, roll into a ball, and just place them on there. Now this mixture will make about 13 or 25 of these cookies. Now just flatten each one down, just a little bit. Now got more of the M&Ms. Just push them down.
Oh no, it's just,
Now pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes. But just chuck them about after 12 minutes. But 15 should do it. Alright, these are ready. I just leave these to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then take them off and we'll start eating. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for M&M cookies as you can see. Oh, they're really beautiful. So, let's try it. Crunchy and chewy in one. Perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Before I go, I want to let you know there'll be no video next week because it's the day it's actually the day before I'm going on vacation with my family. We're going to Lake Michigan for a 4th of July family vacation, so I won't do a video because you're welcome myself prepared, so I hope you guys completely understand that. So, but still, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you all next time for a new recipe. Peace out.